Missiles, rockets, drones, nothing gets through. These are the world's top 10 killer air defense systems, protecting skies, cities, and armies like never before. Alright, let's start. Number 10. Iron Dome, Israel. Iron Dome is a short-range air defense system developed by Israel's Rafael Advanced Defense Systems, introduced in 2011. It is designed to intercept rockets, artillery shells, and drones within a 4 to 70 kilometers range. Using advanced radar tracking, it calculates the trajectory of incoming threats and engages only those aimed at populated areas, making it extremely cost-effective. Iron Dome has been heavily used in the 2014 Gaza War, Operation Protective Edge, the 2021 Gaza conflict, and the 2023-2024 Israel-Hamas conflict. During these engagements, it reportedly intercepted thousands of rockets, claiming a success rate above 90%. Its rapid response and selective targeting have protected civilian areas, government buildings, and critical infrastructure. The main impact has been the dramatic reduction in casualties and property damage during short-range rocket attacks. It has also provided Israel with strategic flexibility, allowing military operations without risking mass civilian harm. Iron Dome is globally recognized as the most combat-proven short-range defense system, and countries like the USA and Azerbaijan have procured or tested it in limited numbers for evaluation purposes. Number 9. Barak 8 Israel. Barak 8 is a medium-range surface-to-air missile system jointly developed by Israel and India. Its development began in the mid-2000s, and it entered operational service in 2016. Designed for both naval and land deployment, the missile has a range of 70 to 100 plus kilometer and uses an active radar seeker for autonomous targeting of aircraft, drones, cruise missiles, and anti-ship missiles. India has deployed Barak 8 on its naval destroyers and land-based air defense batteries, while Israel operates it primarily on naval vessels. It was notably active during heightened tensions between India and Pakistan in 2019, serving more as a strategic deterrent than in active combat. The key advantages of Barak 8 are versatility and multi-domain defense. It protects naval fleets against missile attacks while providing ground forces with reliable medium-range air coverage. Its advanced guidance and rapid reaction capabilities ensure high interception reliability, strengthening national air defense. The system has been exported to Azerbaijan as well, demonstrating its regional effectiveness. Number 8. HQ-9B, China. The HQ-9B is a long-range surface-to-air missile (SAM) system developed by China as an advanced variant of the HQ-9 series. Development began in the late 1990s, and the HQ-9B entered service around 2010. With an engagement range of 200 to 250 kilometers, it is designed to intercept aircraft, drones, cruise missiles, and ballistic missiles. The system features improved radar tracking, high maneuverability, and modern guidance systems compared to the original HQ-9. China uses the HQ-9B extensively to protect strategic areas and key infrastructure. The system has also been exported to Pakistan, where it strengthens air defense against potential regional threats. While it has not been tested in a full-scale war scenario, its operational drills and exercises demonstrate high accuracy and response speed. The main benefits of HQ-9B include long-range interception capability, deterrence against advanced air attacks, and integration into broader air defense networks. Its deployment provides a multi-layered defense for both urban centers and military installations. The system has contributed significantly to China and Pakistan's strategic air defense posture, making it a reliable shield against modern aerial threats in the region. Number 7. SAMP-T, Aster-30, France. The SAMP-T, armed with Aster-30 missiles, is a medium to long-range surface-to-air missile system jointly developed by France and Italy. Development started in the 1990s, and it officially entered service in the early 2000s. Designed to intercept high-speed aircraft, cruise missiles, and tactical ballistic missiles, SAMP-T features highly maneuverable missiles guided by advanced Arabelle radar systems. It is fully integrated into NATO defense networks, providing European countries with coordinated air defense coverage. SAMP-T has been deployed in multiple exercises to test NATO interoperability and, more recently, in support of Ukraine, providing critical air defense against missile threats. While not heavily combat-tested like Iron Dome or Patriot, its performance in simulations and exercises has proven its reliability. The system's main benefits include multi-target engagement, high maneuverability, and protection of critical infrastructure. It is capable of defending both urban centers and forward-deployed military units. By combining advanced radar, mobility, and rapid-fire missile capabilities, SAMP-T serves as a robust European air defense layer, contributing to both national and NATO-level deterrence strategies. Number 6. S-300 VMANTEY-2500 Russia. The S-300 VMANTEY-2500 is a mobile, long-range surface-to-air missile system developed by Russia in the late 1990s and entering operational service around 2000. It is specifically designed for ballistic missile defense, capable of intercepting short and medium-range missiles as well as aircraft. The system combines powerful radar tracking with high-speed missiles, allowing it to engage multiple targets simultaneously while on the move. S-300VM has been deployed by Russia in several strategic locations and has also been exported to countries like Venezuela and Egypt. Most notably, variants of the S-300 series have been reported in the Ukraine conflict, where they serve as a key layer of Russian air defense against incoming aircraft and missiles. The main benefits of the S-300VM include mobility, long-range engagement, and multi-target tracking. Its presence acts as a strong deterrent to enemy air operations, protecting both military bases and urban areas from aerial threats. The system's ability to counter both ballistic missiles and aircraft makes it a versatile component of Russia's layered air defense network, reinforcing strategic security in contested regions. Number 5. Patriot PAC-3 MSE, USA. The Patriot PAC-3 MSE is an advanced version of the iconic Patriot missile system, developed by the United States and officially introduced in 2001-2002. It is a highly capable multi-role surface-to-air missile system designed to intercept aircraft, cruise missiles, and short to medium-range ballistic missiles. The PAC-3 MSE variant features improved guidance, faster reaction times, and enhanced missile agility compared to earlier Patriot versions. The system has been extensively combat-tested in multiple conflicts. During the Gulf War, 1991, the earlier Patriot versions were used for air defense, and in Iraq War, 2003, PAC-3 demonstrated its missile interception capabilities. More recently, Patriot batteries have been deployed to South Korea, Japan, Saudi Arabia, and Ukraine, providing strategic air defense against ballistic missile threats. Patriot PAC-3 MSE's primary benefits include high-speed interception, multi-target tracking, and proven combat reliability. Its deployment strengthens both national and allied air defense networks, acting as a deterrent against aerial threats. The system's advanced radar and missile technology enable precise targeting of incoming missiles, significantly reducing damage to critical infrastructure and civilian areas. Its versatility and operational track record make it one of the most trusted air defense systems in the world. Number 4. David Sling, USA. David Sling is a medium to long-range surface-to-air missile system jointly developed by Israel and the United States, with development starting in the early 2000s and entering service around 2017. Designed to bridge the gap between Iron Dome's short-range coverage and Arrow's high-altitude defense, it targets tactical ballistic missiles, aircraft, cruise missiles, and heavy rockets. The system uses the Stunner missile, which combines advanced radar, electro-optical seekers, and high maneuverability to destroy incoming threats with precision. David Sling has been operationally deployed by Israel, particularly during the 2017 to 2023 Gaza border escalations, intercepting medium-range rockets and missiles fired at urban centers. Although it has not faced a full-scale war like Iron Dome, its operational tests and intercepts have proven its effectiveness as a mid-layer defense. The main benefits of David Sling are its range, 40 to 300 kilometers, multi-target engagement capability, and its role as a strategic link in Israel's layered air defense network. By neutralizing tactical missile threats before they reach urban areas, it reduces potential casualties and infrastructure damage, enhances civilian protection, and strengthens Israel's deterrence posture against regional missile threats. Number 3. THAAD, USA. The THAAD, Terminal High Altitude Area Defense, is a high-altitude missile defense system developed by the United States and first deployed in 2008. It is designed to intercept short, medium, and intermediate-range ballistic missiles during the terminal phase, either inside or just outside the atmosphere. THAAD uses hit-to-kill technology, destroying incoming warheads through direct impact without explosives, and relies on its powerful TPY-2 radar to detect and track multiple targets simultaneously. THAAD has been deployed by the USA in strategic regions such as South Korea, Saudi Arabia, and the United Arab Emirates, mainly to counter missile threats from North Korea, Yemen, Houthi missiles, and regional adversaries. It has also been integrated into joint exercises to test interoperability with allied air and missile defense networks. The system's main benefits include extremely high altitude interception, multi-target engagement, and rapid deployability. THAAD provides a critical layer of defense, neutralizing ballistic missiles before they reach populated or strategic areas. Its presence serves both as a deterrent and a practical shield, strengthening national and allied defense networks. Its combination of radar sophistication and kinetic kill capability makes it one of the world's premier missile defense systems. Number 2. S-400 Triumph, Russia. The S-400 Triumph is a long-range surface-to-air missile (SAM) system developed by Russia and officially introduced in 2007. It is designed to engage aircraft, drones, cruise missiles, and ballistic missiles up to 400 kilometers away. The system can track and engage over 30 to 36 targets simultaneously using multiple missile types, including short, medium, and long-range interceptors. Its advanced radar network and electronic countermeasure resistance make it highly effective against modern aerial threats. S-400 has been actively deployed by Russia in conflicts such as operations in Syria to protect military assets and assert air superiority. It has also been exported and deployed by China, India, and Turkey, serving both as a strategic deterrent and operational air defense system. In India, the S-400 enhances national defense against potential regional threats, while in China, it contributes to layered air defense capabilities. The main benefits of the S-400 include its long-range coverage, multi-target tracking, and versatility against various threats, from stealth aircraft to ballistic missiles. Its deployment provides countries with a robust airspace denial capability, deterring enemy incursions and protecting critical infrastructure and military assets. The system remains one of the most advanced and widely respected air defense platforms globally. Number 1. S-500 Prometheus, Russia. The S-500 Prometheus is Russia's most advanced long-range surface-to-air and anti-ballistic missile system, developed by Almaz-Antey and officially entering limited service around 2020-2021. It is designed to intercept hypersonic cruise and ballistic missiles, aircraft, and even near-space targets such as low-orbit satellites, with a maximum range of up to 600 kilometers against ballistic targets and 500 kilometers for aerial targets. Its multi-layered radar system can track hundreds of targets simultaneously, making it a key element in Russia's future air and missile defense network. S-500 has primarily been deployed in strategic defense zones within Russia and is intended to complement existing S-400 batteries. While it has not yet been used in active wartime engagements, it represents a major leap in strategic air defense capability and acts as a powerful deterrent against advanced missile threats from potential adversaries. The main advantages of the S-500 include extreme range, high-speed interception of hypersonic targets, multi-target engagement, and near-space operational capability. Once fully deployed, it will provide Russia with a comprehensive shield against modern aerial and missile threats, reinforcing national security and demonstrating technological superiority in the global defense arena. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more.